think you have to kind of have something to build off of to keep everything in theme and in place to where you're not here and here, a little bit here, there, everywhere. So the renovations took about 2 months, a lot more expensive than I thought. First thing we did was actually had a chimney taken out of this room that was separating the living room from the kitchen. Most people would have probably walked through and said, no, I don't like this, it's too traditional, too choppy. I looked straight at that wall and I need to know right now whether this can come out or not, because this is the first thing I do is take it out, and it absolutely changed the whole entire house. We had a blank slate when we started with our kitchen. We wanted something we could put our own touch on.
I recently just found these Draper James mugs at Goodwill. They're one of my favorite things to drink coffee out of in the mornings.
In our kitchen, we chose to go with stainless steel. We also decided to go with granite countertops. We did a custom white backsplash and subway tile. It goes perfectly with my KitchenAid mixer. And we also have a Farmhouse Sink.
Farmhouse Sink is big on Pinterest. People love it.
I love taking cart selfies, if that's a thing.
Shelfies.
To show, yeah, shelfies. To show my items in the store, to give people, you know, inspiration. My favorite thrift find right now is my KitchenAid mixer.
This is one of my favorite finds that I found from Goodwill. It's a KitchenAid mixer. It can retail up to $300. I found mine for $19.99.